Hello friends, welcome back to Tips and Tricks. In this video, I will take you through step-by-step instruction on how to replace a flat tire. As soon as you realize you have a flat tire, do not abruptly brake or turn. Immediately turn on your hazard lights, slowly reduce speed and try to park the vehicle as far as possible from the oncoming traffic. Parking and trying to change a flat tire next to a high-speed highway is extremely dangerous. Keep moving slowly until you find a safe place. Make sure to park at a solid level ground, as you may not be able to use the jack on soft surface such as sand, mud or grass. Always use the parking brake before replacing a flat tire. This will avoid the possibility of your vehicle rolling. It would be ideal if you could place a wheel wedge or any small things such as bricks or large stones behind the wheels if available. Place a safety triangle about 45 meters or about 60 steps behind your vehicle to alert the oncoming traffic. First, remove the spare tire from the trunk or the spare tire mount. Make sure spare tire is in good condition and inflated properly. After performing all the below steps, the last thing you don't want to see is a flat spare tire. If your vehicle has a wheel cover, remove the wheel cover before lifting the vehicle with the jack. Using the lug wrench, turn the lug nuts counterclockwise until it loosens up. You may have to push hard. At times you may have to use your foot or all of your body weight to loosen the nuts. Only loosen the lug nuts, don't remove them completely. The jacking points for most vehicles are clearly marked on the chassis to safely lift the vehicle. On most vehicles there are 4 jacking points. They are located just behind the front wheels and just ahead of the rear wheels. If you have any confusion, please refer to the owner's manual. With the jack properly positioned, raise the vehicle until the flat tire is about few inches above the ground. Never ever put any part of your body under the vehicle during or after raising the vehicle with the jack. Now it is time to remove the lug nuts all the way. Since you have already loosened them, you should be able to unscrew them mostly by your hand. Pull it gently towards you, holding the thread until it's completely free from the hub. Now place the spare tire by pushing gently until the lug bolts show through the rim. Put the lug nuts back and tighten them all the way by hand. You will tighten them with a wrench after lowering the vehicle to the ground. Bring the vehicle all the way to the ground and remove the jack. At this point, you should tighten the lug nuts with a wrench, turning clockwise as much as you can. Push down on the lug wrench with the full weight of your body if required. Temporary spare tires are not made to drive long distances or at high speeds, so drive carefully until you are able to visit a tire technician. They will be able to tell you whether your tire needs a repair or it is time to replace the tire. Hope this video is useful to you. Till we meet again, goodbye and safe driving.